Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today let's do a small update on the Bitcoin, right? I mean, Bitcoin after around 10 days, I think it was around 10 days, finally broke out, right? And finally looking quite bullish. And you know, in the past we have mentioned that Bitcoin would be really bullish if it held up around this area, pull back to this area and then start pumping again. And you know, in some contrary, now even hold even more bullish area and just started pumping from it right away, right? Which in most cases people will say this is a really good thing, but it can also be a questionable thing, right? And you know, when we also mentioned that it could be a questionable thing, but before we go onwards, let me remind you guys to please subscribe to our channel, like this video, right? Punch that notification button so that you can get these videos on your front page, and we do make them every day except to Sunday. So speaking of which, why this could be potentially a bad thing, because the next level that awaits us, and it's one of the main levels that will kind of tell us if we are back to being bullish or are we still going to be breaking down, right? And this level right now is called 12k, right? You could call it 12k. And the point of this level is because Bitcoin usually doesn't leave too many untested levels behind this. The logic behind this is if it starts to come up here and it doesn't break it, right? If it starts going sideways at it, it's not out of the question for us to travel all the way down to 1.1k or even 1.8k, as is we already shown on videos and streams in the past. And you know, this could potentially screw up a chart a little bit, but not so much chart of the Bitcoin. It would most likely do bad for alts, and in this case even Ethereum, because Ethereum has been slacking behind Bitcoin for a while right now. I mean, if you can say that, because it did overrun it in the a little bit nearest future, right? I mean, nearest past. But right now it's lagging a little bit behind him, so it could actually potentially even crash Ethereum even more than Bitcoin itself, right? Because a lot of people will flip bearish again. So there is a danger of that. Obviously, the best case scenario right now is we go up, and let me just delete these lines right here. Best case scenario is we go up and we test right the top of this area, right before the top. And questionable is we probably won't break it on the first try, especially not with conditions, or should I say, structure looking like it is. So we're probably gonna make a pullback here, and if something like this happens, this is a strong long area. This is a strong long area which you pretty much have to take a shot on, because if you take the shot on this area, the chances are the next stop is gonna be 14k or a little bit under 14k, and for Ethereum it's gonna be like, I think it's gonna be like 400 something, right? Or perhaps for Ethereum it can even start his whole path towards $600, you know. So you know, this is a strong path, strong long, because it gives you a really good risk to reward ratio, right? I mean, this is usually the area that Bitcoin reacts well from it, and you know, as you can see from this area, if it fills you, you have a pretty much 2 to 3k worth of risk right there. I mean, on the upside, and on the downside you get stopped pretty fast if it starts breaking down, right? Because you don't want to be holding a trade like this for a long time, because it's either going to react or it's just going to die off, right? And again, we will do a more detailed analysis on the Bitcoin of the stream, so you're welcome to join that one. It's going to be today, and at the usual times as always. And also, I mean, again, please join us at our community channels on 4C. We do discuss analysis like Bitcoin and stuff like that, and Ethereum on daily basis. We do discuss stop losses and profit takes and all that stuff that really do helps you on your path of trading, right? Or if you just want to know what the hell is going on in the markets, we always deliver analysis, right? And of course, if you want to see more of the opportunities like this, also join our channel, subscribe to it, right? Like it, and we will be seeing each other in the new one.